In a time of recession, everything is going bad.
Well, let's take a look at activities at the unlisted securities market this week. Investors lost $24.29 billion.
During the time of recession, everything goes bad. The economy falls. Price of things increase. Unemployment increase. People are losing money. Houses they bought high is going down. Price of things they bought before is now dropping. All their investments is going down. But wait, can you probably benefit from recession? Let's find out.
Gathered outside the stock exchange are due to the greatest crash in the history of the New York Stock Exchange.
Good evening. Today is Black Monday, the day the Dow dropped more than 500 points. The day the Dow dropped more than 20.
The Dow tumbled more than 500 points, sat down by bad mortgage investments. Lehman, which has 25,000 employees, will be liquidated.
It is definitely a very, very difficult time, and it's not going to get better quickly.
How come Warren Buffett, the third richest man in the world, says he hopes to see more recessions? Could it be that recession can make you rich? In this video, I'll be telling you how recession can make you rich. Yes, you watching me can be rich in terms of problems where everybody is in chaos and fear. You can be in wealth. Why some persons see recession as a time of problem, other people see it as a golden opportunity to be rich. The health of a country is being measured by its GDP, gross domestic produce. It is said that if a country's GDP is going down for up to 6 months, the country is in recession. If the GDP of a country is going up, that's a very good sign. But if the GDP of a country is going down, that's a very bad sign. It's a sign of recession. And recession causes a lot of problems. Many persons loses so many valuable things when it's recession time. What is recession? Recession is a time of a temporary decline in markets. So what causes recession? Nobody knows what causes recession. That is why it is said that nobody can actually predict the market.
Okay, if you're Warren Buffett or if you're Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows if the stock is going to go up, down, sideways, or in fucking circles.
If you want to benefit from recession, you have to understand one thing, just one thing. Don't panic. Panic is what makes people lose money during time of recession. But if you don't panic, you understand one thing other people don't understand. The markets will always bounce back. So when the crashes come, stock market is going down, everything is going down. Because why? The markets will eventually crash. There's always a given time where no matter how high the market is going, the market is bound to eventually crash. So don't forget the 3 rules now. 1, nobody can predict the market. 2, the market will always bounce back. And 3, the market will eventually crash. Now let's take for instance, the market is booming. Everybody is buying things, everybody is selling, everybody is buying cars, everybody is spending money. There is money in the economy. But you know one thing, there is something you know that other persons don't know, that the market will crash. What do? You start saving money. Why everybody is spending money in the market when the market is going high? You are saving. Why everybody is using money to buy cars, buy luxury things? You are saving. Why? Because you know one rule, that the markets will eventually crash. So when the market crashes, what happens? So you have saved your money in the bank, you have saved your money in different platforms that can help you generate more incomes. You have made more money because you know one thing, that the market will crash and nobody can predict the market. Now the market has crashed. Everybody is losing money. Everybody is now selling off things because why? The price of things are going down. They want to sell now. Now you that have been saving money, that understand that the market will eventually crash. Knowing fully well that no matter how the markets crash, you understand that one day the market will always bounce back. But because they don't understand, they sell off. And you who is positioned to buy. You buy all their houses, you buy all their productions, their investments, you buy their stock markets, you buy cryptocurrency, you buy. Congratulations. You are now recession rich. One good thing about it right now is that Bitcoin has failed. Bitcoin fell to what? $40,000 and nobody is seeing it. Nobody is buying Bitcoin. They feel like it will fall more. But you know one thing, if you are prepared, you're going to buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin was one time $60,000. There is very tendency that very time soon, Bitcoin will go back to $60,000. And if you buy Bitcoin now, you're what? You're in a position to know that the market will always bounce back.
Because the last time we had like a big crash in the US, I made so much money. It was ridiculous.